Hello, and welcome to this series on how to manage the content of your website. In the next few videos, we'll learn how to navigate around the admin area and edit specific content regarding our website. Now, some of you may consider yourself to be an advanced user, but for the sake of including everyone, this video series will begin at the very basics and progress to more advanced topics. Okay, to begin, let me define the term admin. Admin is the secure area where you'll make changes to the content of your website. And you'll always know that you're in the admin area by seeing WP admin in your address bar. Let's do a quick overview of the admin menu on the left-hand side. This is a very basic website for this series, and your custom website's admin will probably look much different. The dashboard here simply gives you a quick overview of your website, and this can also look quite different from your dashboard. So moving down, we have photo gallery, and most websites that we build have one or more photo galleries, so this menu will be used to explain how to manage your gallery images. Posts are where you'll write the content for your website blog. And if you don't know what a blog is, then keep watching this series and we'll explain this in detail. Media is where all of your images, audio, and so on are stored. Just think of this as your website's media hard drive. Pages are pretty self-explanatory. In the Pages menu, you can edit the content of your website pages. And in the next video, we'll look at how to edit the content of your website pages. The comments menu is where you'll manage the comments that website visitors have made on your blog post or other related content. And again, if this is unfamiliar to you, then just keep watching this series and you'll understand everything more clearly. Profile is where you'll edit the details of your user account. In fact, let's go ahead and view that now. This is pretty basic, but I want to point out a few things to you. For one, you can't change the username because this is a permanent aspect of your account. Notice where it says usernames cannot be changed. Another thing is the displayed name publicly as. Now this allows you to control how your name will appear next to the content that you've created on your website. So for example, let's say that this website was a news site. And if I published a news item, my name would appear next to the news item showing me as the author. So you have a few options as to how your name will appear on the site. If you want your name to be kept private or you want to simply just use a nickname, you can set it here, which let me do that here. I'll go nickname of bass player. That's my favorite instrument to play. So now I can choose this as the display name. Look here. And any change you make on this page and for this page example, you want to go down to the bottom and click Update Profile. And when I click, watch what happens to the top right-hand corner. So we see how the display name has now been changed to bass player. Next, I want to explain the section called Avatar. An avatar is just simply a profile image for a user account. So notice that it shows my picture and it says Gravatar, more information. Now, if you're not familiar with Gravatar, it's simply a web service that allows you to connect a profile image like the one you see here to an email address. So my profile picture that you're seeing here is connected to my specific email address of this account. And I've created this using that service called Gravatar. So if you go to gravatar.com and click on create your own Gravatar, this will explain the details of how to do this. That's very easy and secure, and I'd highly recommend doing this. In fact, the same people that created the website engine that your website's running on, these are the same people that's created Gravatar. So it's very secure to use, and I'd highly recommend doing this. On the other hand, if you haven't created a Gravatar account and you just want to simply upload an image to the website as your profile image, then you should have the option below this area here. You should have that option available to you. Okay, one other thing here. Let me discuss new password. If you haven't done so already, I would highly recommend that you change your password. This will make it much more difficult for a hacker to break into your website. And if you make this change and any other change on this page, make sure, as we've did before, make sure to click the Update Profile button here on the bottom left-hand side. Okay, the Tools menu is the last one here in this video. This is something you'll probably never use. I've personally never used the Press This feature, but you can check it out if it interests you. Okay, that's all for this quick overview. In the next few videos, we'll dig deeper into the specifics of these menus that we've just talked about. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.